All right, we're back with another video, and we got this Mercedes. I think it's GL 350. I think it was. We got the pearl white. Yeah, ML 350. Sorry, you know the ML and GLs are pretty close. You got the pearl white, and we're gonna do some 24s on there. So we already mounted and balanced the tires. We got the we got the Strada Dakota. These were custom drilled in the 5x112. These are 24x10s all the way around. We got the hovering stuff, and we got the 275 25-24 full weight tires. Start on that. The customer is in a hurry, so he doesn't want to paint the calipers. We're going to put them on there. He's in between his lunch hours, so got to get it done. So stay tuned, and maybe we'll get some driving footage of it with the 24s. He did get new sensors, so we're not switching any sensors. We're putting them on there, so and getting everything done. So stay tuned. What up, everyone? We're back with the Mercedes ML 350. Bam! We got the Strada Dakotas on there, 24x10s with the 275 25-24. Check the turning radius, but I think it's perfect on this car. What do you guys think in the comment section on this Mercedes? It is 4MATIC, so it is all-wheel drive all the way around. So, and they're 24x10s all the way around. Okay, let's see some driving footage. Alright, so on today's video we're back. We got a Honda Accord. And we got the stock wheels on here. We got the Michelin tires, 225 50 17. So he's just getting tires. So I just want to do a little tidbit on Michelin. Michelins are a good tire. They're softer compound. quieter noise, a little more pricier. And they do have some tires that wear a lot quicker because they're quieter. So this customer, actually, I put them onto the Continental Extreme Contacts, the DW SO6s, and he got them for his BMW, and he loved the tires, so he's going with them on this Honda Accord. So these are the Continental Extreme Contact DW SO6. Real good tire. I like these. I had them on my wife's car, the BMW. Kind of cool. It says DWS, so I think it is for, I forgot what initial it is for, but I think it's winter, summer. It's an all-season tire, and it's kind of cool because when it wears down, when you see the D or the W, I think, come off, then it's time to replace the tires. These do come with 50,000 mileage. Not as soft as a compound, but I love this tire. Everybody has their different things. Everybody like Michelin's, Pirelli's different compound too. So depending on which, everybody likes the tires. But I like these tires, Continental DW SO6s. So they had a DW SO6, and now they came out a newer version. I think they changed the thread pattern a little bit more, and now it's a plus on there. So we're going to paint the calipers. Yeah, with the purchase of the wheels or tires, we also paint the calipers, even if you just get tires from a $95 value. Plus, he's a customer that he bought a couple of sets of wheels from us. So stay tuned, we're going to get it done. All right, we're back with another video here. We got this Jeep SRT8 with the custom white painted grille. You got the nice vinyl. Vinyl to match the wheels. These are 360 forged wheels. We didn't install these, but we just had to reseal them. It is a 3-piece wheel. It's kind of hard to see. Some of the 3-piece, it's actually the rivets are hidden. So like this one is hidden behind the wheel. It's got the custom white walls. You got the SRT8. This is reflective on there. Calipers, drills, a lot of rotors, lights. What do you guys think in the comment section? You got custom speakers. Oh, you wanted to check all of them for you? Chris it was, right? Yeah, Chris. He was actually with us in the videos too. He had the Challenger, the lime green one, when we went to Texas for the meet and greet, right? It was. Yeah. Yep. What do you guys think of the SRT8? Was that your Instagram right there? Yeah. TikTok. Okay. You guys follow him on Instagram and TikTok. Still got the Challenger. He said he gave it to his son. You probably got a couple other toys too, right? What do you guys think in the comment section on the SRT8? It does have iBox springs on there, so it is lowered. What is it, like 2 and 4 or something like that? Yeah. I think it looks good. Appreciate the business, Chris, again. All right. Stay tuned. All right, so we got this Kia K900. We got BAM. We got the F1Rs, the F103s. These are 20 by 8.5. With a nice big caliper. This is all-wheel drive. Windows. A beautiful car. Look how nice wood grain interior in here. Some of these actually even come with bucket seats in the back. Nice console. Kia K900. So right now we're gonna reprogram the sensors here. So I'm going to show you how this thing works too. I think I showed it in the other video. See how it's triggering it? Bam. So this tells you the PSI, shows you how much megahertz, and even the battery's okay. So we'll go to the next one here. I was having some problems in here, so this is a 19. So sometimes what happens, these batteries go out and then you have to replace the sensor, and I think that's what's going on here. We used his original sensors. Let's go to the last one. So this one programs. I think that battery and that sensor, he did get these a while ago from us, and he got a flat tire, so I just changed this tire. So what do you guys think of the K900 pearl white color? 20 small, too big, or just right? Appreciate it.